What you doing, Naomi?
Still dragging my... So I'm such an idiot. I did something before airdropping. I was going to iCloud website, downloading. And it was taking forever. And I was like, duh, why don't I use airdrop? So now I'm airdropping. And that's taking a while. So then I'm like, well, why don't you just go into photos? I'm such a dope.
I'm tired from just putting my bike on the car. This is gonna be a suffer fest. And you better behave yourself, Mr. Knee.
Bye, sweetheart. Say bye to the audience. Bye, you guys. We love you, Charlie. We love you so much. We'll see you when we get back.
Right, we're going to Goodies to look at the stuffed squirrels in case Naomi would like to take one with her on her trip as mascot of a Charlie replacement. I'm trying to ruin the video and you're just like, oh, this is great. She won't take Charlie. I don't even understand. Charlie wants to go.
Oh my gosh, he's also bringing me to the ice cream place that has the squirrels. How ironic. Look at all of the stuffed animals, but we cannot find a squirrel. Oh, it was such a cute idea. We are trying a store next door. We could get these for Charlie.
Oh yeah, and you could put them on him, and I'll videotape it. Muscular.
James found my co-host finger puppet. We tried. Memories of last year's trip. There's no breakdown lane, so if I was suffering on the mountain bike with my knee, I can't get off and walk it. So this is where James is so kind to drive me up this part. And this is going to be interesting, this whole setup. The rubber is supposed to add a little stickiness to the pack so it doesn't slide. I feel like these are going to shift somehow, or maybe fit. Like my pedal might hit the bag. Oh my gosh, that's sweating. I did bring my John Travolta sweatband. Catch my sweat? Yeah, I feel better already. Oh, where am I? Where am I reading this? Oh! That would have sucked not to be able to see. No, I don't know what we would have done. I wouldn't be able to see the map on my phone, didn't I? Oh my gosh, that scared me.
It's impossible not to laugh when you're talking. Please fall over.
Idaho Hot Springs mountain bike loop, here we come!
Bye, big kitty. And there she goes.
The guy from the fire department just pulled over and told me there's a fire up ahead. Hopefully I'll be able to continue on this route. See the fire? I'm gonna push all those animals down. Don't animals run down when there's a fire? I don't think they'd run up. Oh, this is cool. It's 4 o'clock, 98 degrees. See the helicopter getting the water? I'm only 2.5 miles in to the trip. I haven't hit that zone yet where I'm realizing I'm finally away from my computer. Just such a wonderful feeling. Wow. I feel like we're biking into a painting. I'm riding on someone's canvas. Just stunning. I could stop pedaling for you. If I do that every time I shoot, it's gonna take me forever to get where I'm going. Once again, human on the loose. I just feel weird because I naturally wouldn't say that, and I'm literally only saying that for the algorithm because you're supposed to. Anyway, don't be surprised if I never say human on the loose again. For those of you interested in fishing, know your bull. Brook trout versus bull trout. You're supposed to release the bull trout, harvest the brook trout. Brook trout have worm-like markings on the upper body, have a distinct white leading edge followed by black on lower fins and tail. Bull trout has no black markings on their dorsal fin, white leading edge, but no black on lower fins and tail, pink spots on the side. I heard about these camps where people will set up and then they just leave everything because they have money or whatever, they don't care about it. And I'm seeing like a box of crackers on the ground by the rock, and there's actually like food sitting out there in like a cooler that was open, almost like somebody went through it and they didn't want anything and left it. Here, the pan, and then look at the chairs. See that? No, I'm not gonna walk down there and check. Beauty pan. Reminds me of Death Valley. I wonder if it's really mud, like great mineral mud. It's smeared all over our bodies. If I was into the trip more, I would do that, but since I just started. This is the official Idaho Hot Springs mountain bike route. If you were going clockwise, you would go this way towards Idaho City. We will be coming back this way since I am going counterclockwise. Incredible. I just had no idea what this route was like. This is so surreal. It is completely different than anything I saw on the last trip. And I'm in the same state. It's just fantastic. Okay, creepy pickup truck, tiny old black pickup truck. He passed me, he slowed down, then he disappeared. He showed up again, he's pulled over on the side. Like he turned around. I wonder if he lived in that tent I was filming. Great spot to pan with Bodacious in the frame. Look at it. Oh. How cool is this landscape? Wait for it. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Lush, stunning green patch. Is that not surreal? I feel like I want to go down there and roll around. Look at the colors, the metallic colors. I am so in awe of this section. This whole section, I've been about, I don't know, I'm at like 18 miles. I thought I was going to be riding along a reservoir, just the blue water. It is so diverse, so stunning. All the different color and patterns, and then of course these ridiculous rocks. Look at this thing. Ah, my gosh, I just can't get enough. Oh, good save. That was impressive. That was so appropriate, wasn't it? I'm like so into what I'm looking at, I'm not paying attention. I hit some deep sand. You know, I didn't fall on my last trip. I think I had one wipeout. It just keeps staying absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go down to the river here. It's only 6:40, but I've done 20 miles and I want to give my leg a break. I don't want to wait until it starts hurting to stop. I haven't been able to hear for probably the last 2 hours, and usually it means I've overexerted myself, which it just shows how out of shape I am, that it's happening with barely any climbing and only 20 miles. And the main reason I want to stop here, because there's a campsite just up the way. I don't want to be around people. I can hear a lot of insect noises, which means we could get attacked by mosquitoes. Look, all you animals. No, you can't end. Do I have to go through that? It looks like a cliff. Oh, we want to get down there. See how beautiful it is? Well, I guess I'll go the other way. All right, let's try this. I mean, geez. Oh, geez, really? Because then I have to bring my bike through this. I just want to be at the water. Animal holes, foxholes. Look out, you guys. I want to find the freaking water. Seriously, it ends again? I mean, I can't bring my bike through that. I'm so pissed off right now. I've been staring at beautiful water for hours. I see an area that comes down with tracks and I can't reach it. Maybe I have to keep going. I don't actually feel great right now. I feel like I really need to stop and drink water, but I need to reach water because I need more water. How did I end up in the jungle? Apparently my choices are not very great sometimes. Here's proof of that. There's one more leg I'll try. Okay, there's hope because I can leave my bike right up here. Oh geez, really? That is so frustrating. Oh, look at that. Wow. I don't know what to do. This is like such a tease. Hey, Let's go put tracks down. Ow! Let's go put beautiful tracks down to encourage people to want to go down there and think that they lead to the water. But we'll make them end right into the weeds. Can you tell I'm tired? Because whenever I'm tired, I'm always bitching about something, aren't I? Not to mention, I wasn't really dirty. My legs are coated with this crap. I have prickers in my shoes. Yes, I could camp right up here, but I need to get to the water. All right, I need to stop. I can't push it up this hill. 77 pounds. It's the bike plus the bags. I don't feel well. I think I need to roll back and sit down. I don't feel well at all. I come around the corner and look at this. So there I was bushwhacking. I could easily climb down there for water. It was bodacious, perfectly stable against that log. My beautiful Xped tent. Check out this stunning view. Those are the fires in the distance. And we're gonna walk down to this beautiful beach. My wilderness technology bucket. See, I just put my food, my stove, my water purifier in there. Am I gonna have to slide down a cliff? I would have put my tent down there. It's just, I don't want to leave my bike where I can't be with it. Isn't there an easier way? Why is it so difficult? This isn't a big deal. It's just my knee. I'm trying to protect it as long as I can. So I could just go on my ass and slide down this hill. I was just coming up to get my pot. This couple shouts from their car, "Are these your Rokas?" I dropped somewhere along this road, and they were so generous to choose to find me and return them. That's what would I have done without my shades.
You can't go without them.
And what are your names?
I'm Jake.
I'm Amanda.
And Amanda, and they're both mountain bikers,
Yep.
Yeah,
and they want to
They
go
are.
for a really long trip, but they have a 2-year-old.
Maybe next summer.
pretty much it.
I told them that my Rokas are my favorite. These are great, by the way, as the stem comes from the bottom, so it keeps the weight down so you're not always pushing your glasses up.
Yeah, that's cool.
So
That makes a
I've
difference
seen
now.
these, but they were like this big. Cute.
It's like $30 a month. It's like teeny.
I would have totally brought something like this, and it's actually not that heavy.
It is like Spot. It's just better because you can text. You can Bluetooth to your phone or use this.
InReach Mini by Garmin. I didn't know if I should put my Rainfly on.
I'm gonna get a weather for you real quick.
Aw, thank you. So tonight it's 63.
Yeah,
What does it say for tomorrow?
64 and 68.
Washed my shoes, my socks, and I'm drinking the water because I forgot the freaking dirty bag because I'm so used to using my Steri pen, and I was not gonna go all the way up there. So I'll take my chances. I'm not worried about it. This evening we are dining on Mountain House Adventure Meals Pasta Primavera. Look at that flame. That's because I put a stick in there. I forgot to add the foil to the bottom of the pot so it doesn't get all black, but luckily I have water to rinse it off. Watch, just my finger, look at that. Not really sure how I'm feeling about my S-bit stand. I mean, you're supposed to put S-bit in there and it burns, it catches flame. It shouldn't matter if I put something else in there and it catches flame. But it looks pretty beat up considering this is only the first fire I've had in it and it only was for 4 minutes. I don't even have words for how grateful I am that those are the 2 people that saw my shades. There's different people driving. It's not super busy, but it's busy enough. Many of you may disagree, but I honestly feel that most people would have kept the shades. And the fact that this couple decided to bring them to me, my Rokas, if you watched last season, they are my favorite item. I can't go bikepacking without them. I don't want any other shades. Nope, nope, nope. These are the moments in life when I wish I had the money to buy them each a pair of shades. Wouldn't that be an awesome surprise? Like a gift certificate, and they can pick out whatever they want. It would be such a pleasure for me to be able to do. I would have been pissed because I wouldn't have looked for them until tomorrow morning. There's already been enough traffic. Somebody would have ran over them or picked them up. They said they were in the middle of the road. Wow, so grateful.